Crimson Tide in 432 F sharp. This is an alternating drone flute. So it has an F sharp matching drone, a little bit of wobble, 432, 440, but it has a thumb hole in the back that allows you to modulate a drone up to B or even do partials for like the minor third. It's a piece of aromatic cedar with wild harvested mulberry wood mouthpiece with foraged abalone inlay and Mexican fire opal with 24 karat gold. Lunar Stream in 432G with alternating drone in C. This is a banded poplar flute with wild harvested Osage orange birdie block that's magnetically placed. Wild mulberry stepped mouthpiece. It's epoxy sealed, so it's completely waterproof with a satin, oil, and wax finish. The Dancer in 440A with alternating drone in A minor as well as D with partials through thumb control. This is a piece of Ambrosia maple with wild harvested alligator juniper heartwood. It's a magnetic birdie block that auto-locates. Also, the rubber laces make it extremely easy to clean out in a hurry. So you can just move it super fast. This is a piece of dinosaur bone fossilized from New Mexico. And then this is copper with 24 karat gold burnt patina on it. Shellac finish. That's probably going to get a satin buff. The Javelin in 440 F sharp. This is a narrow designed flute that's very easy for beginners, particularly people with small hands and small fingers. This is a piece of aromatic cedar and a really special wood of ancient bristlecone pine from the Methuselah Grove, so 10,000 years old. And the birdie up here, made from that wood, is actually magnetically sealed. So each flute comes with leather laces, but also rubber laces. But even without the laces, see how the birdie just holds itself into position? Because there's a magnet right there. Abalone inlay, ready to go. Heart oak in 432 F. This is a piece of red oak that's also been dyed and rustified with a piece of wild harvested manzanita for the birdie block. Elastic laces also comes with leather laces. It's a very simple flute. It's waterproof, completely waterproof with epoxy and an oil wax satin finish. Gravitas in 432 E minor with alternating drone controlled through the thumb hole. In A with partials. This is a black walnut, so North American species, flute body with dyed maple birdie block that's magnetically held in place. 24 karat gold geometry, Mexican fire opal, fair trade, and a stunning piece of labradorite. This is waterproof with an epoxy finish inside and out with an oil and wax satin finish. Saoirse, the Song of the Sea, in 440 C sharp. This is a poplar hardwood flute with wild harvested black locust mouthpiece and end. With a wild harvested Pacific yew birdie block that is magnetically positioned, so auto positions. Copper inlay that's hand hammered in abalone, also abalone finger holes, so touching the sea. These are hand hammered and soldered metal copper bindings. It makes the flute stronger, and it's in a satin shellac non-toxic finish. And this flute is absolutely phenomenal in person. You can even notice some of the song of the sea, the colors, and the wood texture underneath, like waves in the ocean, and the hues of the waters.